Hi, beauty. You are going to make this delicious recipe and you're gonna love it. Today we are making a spiced peach and salted caramel ice cream. Let's get started. Here we're just taking our spice mix and a little bit of salt and pouring that all over some diced or cubed peaches. Fresh from the farmer's market preferably. Throw in some vanilla extract, honey, and this is going to be our spiced peach mix. So while we do everything else, we're going to let this sit and kind of create some juice that's going to go so well in our ice cream. Now we're going to make our salted caramel using baby bananas, dates, and a good bit of salt and honey. So thick and delicious. Now we are going to make the cream for our ice cream using coconut cream. You can also use coconut milk, but you're going to want to use coconut cream for a more thick, rich, and fatty ice cream like we like it, right? This right here is the Vitamix Air Disc, and I have that, so I can use it. I just pour it in the coconut cream. Make sure that it's cold. It has to be cold. It must be cold because that's what gets it all nicely whipped. Blend that up, whip it up for about a minute or two, maybe less. Check it and see if it's this consistency. This is the consistency we want. It's a nice whipped coconut topping. Basically, I probably could have whipped it more and made it even more of a whipped texture if it was a little bit colder, but it's looking good, isn't it? This is great not only for ice cream, but if you want to put it on top of pancakes in a parfait, on top of yogurt or your dessert, a pie, anything. So that is our salted caramel that we blended. I used my other Vitamix blender thing, and so I had two that I was utilizing for this delicious recipe. You're going to want to fold this in, mix it in. I tried not to mix it in so well because I kind of wanted that salted caramel streak. Like I wanted streaks in this so that I could scoop and get some bites of this delicious banana and date salted caramel. It ended up kind of mixing in more than I wanted to, so next time I'll just mix it less and kind of leave some chunks in there. But as you can see, we are almost done. We got our coconut cream whipped, we have our salted caramel, and last but certainly not least, our delicious diced peach, spiced peach mix. And you can see that the salt and spices kind of extracted some of the water from the peaches and mixed together, creating this delicious juice type of thing that's going to add so much depth and flavor to this ice cream. This ice cream was so delicious. And now we just mix it and freeze it. Really quickly though, I want to explain how I even came up with this. This was when, and I still currently do this, but I was only eating fruit on Saturdays, right? So I had just started only eating fruit on Saturdays and it was getting kind of boring. And I was like, okay, what can I make that is fruit, only fruit, but still delicious and fun? So I came up with this ice cream. The coconut cream is coconut. Our spiced peach is peach, right? And then our dates and banana is our caramel. And so yes, I have the salt and the spices and the honey. That doesn't count, okay? So I just wanted something fun that was still all fruit and just use my creativity. And this is how it came out. This was actually my first time making this. I just wrote the recipe as I was going, which is my favorite way to create recipes, just using my intuition. Sometimes it works, most of the time, sometimes it don't. It usually doesn't work with baked goods that I don't have much experience with, But as I do it, I get more experience, right? And that's the fun part. So basically, just freeze it for at least 4 hours. And you have this delicious spiced peach and salted caramel ice cream that is fruity, all fruit. Basically a raw meal. And you're gonna love this. It's perfect for dessert, even breakfast, since it's sweetened naturally. The honey to me is natural, right? But really sweetened with those dates, peaches, and banana. And it was just divine. So delicious, full of flavor. Those bits of peach were so good. I absolutely loved this ice cream. I could make it every week, but that might be problematic because of the full fat in the coconut cream. But we love fat over your healthy fats, of course. So make this and enjoy beauty. Bye.